Making yourself at home and waiting for me to feed you. You too. Oh, and you. Oh, did you call everybody over?
Well, today is a new day. We are starting to work on chicken coops. I'm going to be painting the wood that I bought for making the coop.
Let's go.
I bought like an olive green and a brown color that I really like to paint the coops, and I bought it with a yellow trim. So I have started painting this board already. It's been so hot out here. We haven't really been able to do a whole lot. So we got up early this morning and got started. I've got 2, 4, 6 boards all painted. Joe has made 2 skids that he's kind of cut so we can drag them. We're gonna build the frame right off of this and then build the coop up. So this will be helpful if we want to try to move it.
All right, it's nice out today, and I am building a chicken coop for Jessica before she gets home from work. Anyway, I'll show you what I got. So far, I just made a box. I kind of took a 4x4, added a 2x4 on the side to create a little edge. Something for me to nail plywood to. Get some angles on this so I can drag it. I'll put a U-bolt in it. We'll see how it works. Screws versus nails. Well, today I got nails. I really don't think it matters. It's just whatever you got. So that's what we're using today. So I have a helper. Gonna help me stuff the walls. That's what I'm gonna do real quick. Be right back. My helper's back. I think she's just trying to stay away from all the roosters over there. And that's why I'm building this. Alright. It's been about 15 hours. Not really. And I got a couple stood. Making yourself at home and waiting for me to feed you. You too. Oh, and you. Oh, did you call everybody over? Are you ready to eat? All right, let's go.
They all laugh.
She likes it. She likes the bag. What? You like the bag thing? That's all we're doing for today. I'll put a little out here.
Yeah, give them something to scratch. They love it. Look at them over there. Scratching, having a good old time. Throw some over here. Yeah, because they love to scratch. Yeah, perfect.
Some bucks in an adventure.
Sophia's following you around like you're dropping feed.
It's not. I know.
And look at them all. Look.